Welcome back to APP 2015. I'm talking to Mario Pirone, the CEO of Guild Insurance and of Guild Super. Welcome, Mario.
Thank you.
Okay, so firstly we'll look at your role with Guild Insurance. Basically, can you explain to people what Guild Insurance actually do?
Guild Insurance provides insurance for health professionals and predominantly pharmacy owners. We insure well over 5,000 pharmacies across Australia, and we provide them both protection and support in the event that they have a claim or the need to be supported in the event of a burglary or a fire or things of that nature.
And are there any recent examples, any events that have happened recently you can elaborate to show what you can do?
Sure. Through 2014 we had over 2,000 claims from pharmacy owners. They could range from burglary claims to fire claims, loss of medicines in a fridge, for example. One such claim we had mid last year was a fire claim. And this was a total loss situation. That is, the whole pharmacy was burnt down. The plant, the stock, all the equipment. This was owned by a female pharmacy in WA, Lisa Eldon. And Lisa came to us wanting to set up a business as quickly as possible after this devastating loss, which occurred from a shop close by her own pharmacy. So the actual fire didn't actually start within the pharmacy.
So the pharmacy was burnt totally to the ground, was it?
Correct.
Yeah.
And Lisa was really keen to get back into operation as quickly as she could. The reason being she had very loyal customers that she feels she was letting down, and she had great staff she didn't want to let go. The first initial estimates was going to take 18 months for the owner of the property to rebuild the pharmacy. So Guild Insurance stepped in, worked with Lisa. We eventually bought a shop next door to the burnt out pharmacy and rebuilt the pharmacy within 6 months. Today, Lisa's been up and running for the last 2 or 3 months.
So within 6 months, that's a quick rebirth.
It is, and this is the sort of things that Guild Insurance looks to do. It works with pharmacy because it knows pharmacy. It works with them to get their businesses up and running, whether it's a burglary or a fire. In this case, it was a huge effort by the team in WA to help Lisa get up and running.
And that intimate knowledge you have of the profession must help in terms of getting things resolved quickly.
It does, and we work with the Pharmacy Guild. We work with the local Pharmacy Guild in WA, the local branch there, to support Lisa in this instant, and to support her to not only work with suppliers and fit out individuals and commercial builders to get her business up and running as quickly as we could.
And your other hat, Mario, with Guild Super. Can you tell people about Guild Super and what happens there?
Guild Super has been a great success story. I mean, it has over 70,000 members. 40,000 of those are pharmacy workers that work within community pharmacy. We have two key aims in Guild Super. The first is to make sure that we invest those pharmacy employees' monies wisely, and we ensure that they have the right investment options for them to invest their money to ensure they've got adequate superannuation when they retire. And the second aim for pharmacy owners is that we provide account managers, we provide great technology to make the administration of super very easy for them.
And that must be, I can imagine that's quite a difficult role for a lot of small businesses like pharmacies.
It is. All small businesses, including pharmacy owners, don't have time for all the administrative work, especially in superannuation, which is changing constantly. At Guild Super, we look to try and ease that burden for pharmacy owners.
And are there any new programs or projects that you've got underway or in the pipeline?
Well, in Guild Super, we're very concerned about the level of savings from our members. So over the next 6 to 12 months, you'll see an increased capacity from us to educate pharmacy employees to save more. Because based on our projections, many of them will not have adequate funds when they retire. So if they can save now and we can invest wisely for them, they'll be in a better position in the future.
And what sort of, any idea on the shape that education will take?
We've already started online an education program, so I really do encourage employees of pharmacies to visit us at www.guildsuper.com.au. So both electronically and through other levels of communication, we're going to continue to engage those employees.
Great, sounds good. Thanks, Mario.
Thank you.
And we'll be back at APP 2015 from Pharmacy News. Thank you.